It is my pleasure to introduce Dr. Nicolas Schweighofer and congratulate him on his recently received bridge funding. This federal award that he received is co-funded by the NINDS and NICHD. So bridge funding is not an award that you apply for. Rather, a program officer nominates you based on your R01 application. So award amounts vary, but this one that Dr. Schweighofer received is for 1 year. And it is in the total amount of $716,695. So thank you. And without further ado, I will let Dr. Schweighofer speak about his award. Dr. Schweighofer.
Hello, everyone. Can I share my screen? I have one slide. I was told I have 2 minutes, so let's try this. Can you see your slide? Let me try to go to full screen mode and see if it works. Can you see the full screen or you see the presenter view?
It's presenter view.
Presenter.
All right, I'm just going to share my slide like this then. Okay, so thank you, Jackie. So this grant is a little bit different. This is a 1-year grant that is part of a future, hopefully future large grant of 5 years. And so the idea here is to develop a self-improving rehabilitation system for people who had a stroke. As you know, stroke is very variable, so we need a precision rehabilitation approach. So here we propose a self-improving system. This is for the upper extremity. And this system will schedule or make recommendation on the schedule of therapy. And so the way this works, the system will recommend then the schedule, and this is based on possible constraints, such as the maximal number of therapy sessions. It will also receive data from all previous participants that were entered in the system, and we'll be also getting online data from the current participant. And so the schedule will be proposed to the therapist. The therapist will hopefully make use of these recommendations, and we will measure a number of data from the patient, and this data will further go back into the system. So the system is self-improving, both for the current patient, because we will know more and more about the current patient, and also for the population of patients that are in the system. So this is a live system, if you want, that will work hopefully in many clinics over the year and keep on making better and better recommendations. As I mentioned, this first part of the project is only theoretical, and in the future we'll develop this in multiple sites. This is pretty complex. This requires a village of people. So Carl is involved. We have a collaborator from computer science, Dr. Luo. This is also work with Dave Drakensmeier at UCI, Emily Rosario at Casa Colina, and Steve Kramer at UCLA.